Guys, today we're installing two accessories on the golf cart because I have two issues at car shows. One, I'm cruising around, can't see people behind me, so I picked up a mirror set. We're going to be putting these on. Also, the next one is a fan because it is hot. This fan, it does run off batteries or USB port. So let's get into this install. Let me know what you guys think. Also, these products will be linked in the comment description below. Alright, with the fan, I do have a windshield on my golf cart. So I want to make sure it fits. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it about right here, which will be perfectly lined up with the steering wheel where I sit and everything. This fan is also multi-rotational. You can turn it, you can twist it to your liking. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on here and see if the windshield still will fit. I'm unsure about that. If not, we'll try some other ones. I'm going to mount it down at the bottom down here. I'm going to twist it a little bit. It does have like a curvature on the mount. I'll show you that shortly. Alright, so what I did is, it's real easy. Clamped it. I clamped it to the back here. I think this will be a good position. It seems to be away from the windshield. I will turn it a little bit and adjust it, and we'll see how it looks. Alright, back to the install here. I'm going to curve it around a little. So I'm going to get it at the V part of the fan and then screw it tight. Seems to be working pretty good. It's perfectly located. It's pretty sturdy fit. Let's see if the windshield work. Oh. Alright, so the windshield hit it. So it looks like, if you do have a windshield, looks like you do have to put it pretty straight on here. But that works good. Windshield secure. Most of the time I'll be cruising with the windshield down. So that's it right there. Then you just hook up a USB cable to it, and we'll show you how it works. So I already have a switch box installed for lights, and it has a USB port. If you don't have that, I would recommend it, or going with batteries. But we'll get back into the install here. All you gotta do, I'm gonna run it better later on. I'll tuck it up here or zip tie it to the column here. But you plug it in the back. Alright, so it is not USB-C, it's a micro USB, but the same thing. Plug it around to the back, and on the back of it there is buttons to push for the fan to turn on, and it has 3 speeds and also a timer to set. But that's it, guys, for this. Let's get into the mirror install. If you guys are liking this type of stuff, don't forget we have a golf cart series. So we built this golf cart, it wasn't even running. We put a body on it, a radio, a bunch of accessories, and also we do a lot of car show content, so check out some videos at the end. Hit the like button and subscribe, it would mean the world to me. So I had to take a look here at the instructions. It does come with a variety of brackets, so it's a pretty universal kit no matter what golf cart you have. I have an Easy Go, so I'm going to use the 1 inch, but they have a 0.75 and a 1.2 inch also. So I got the mount here. You just push this on, clip it on. It's not tight until you pretty much tighten it. Comes with all your screws, your hardware needed for installation. Alright guys, so what I had to use, I had to get this Scotch. It's like felt pads, and as you can see, I put a thick one on and a thin one, and then thick ones all around the outside, and I ended up using the middle size, the 1 inch, because the other one ended up being too tight. This one's too big, but if you work it on, I gotta loosen up the bolt, and I'll be right back with you. Alright, so I took the mirror off, so it was a little bit easier. Now I just have to finesse this up here. It's going to be a snug fit, but that's what you want. Let me get back into this, and I will continue the install. So it works out. All I had to do is the thick one all the way around, and then I slid this back up here. I'm going to put the mirror. On. I have the bolt areas pointed toward the rear. The screw area in the front. Stick it in. Grab your in the back. And it is a lock area, so it's really secure and snug. Make sure it's up there, right? Covering the felt. What I did is I traced the pattern, and there you go. Put the other one on, but this has full tilt. So I can tilt it in when I'm towing, tilt it back out when I get to shows, and adjust it accordingly. But I think it's going to look good. I'm going to finish the install on this side, and I will do a review for you guys. Alright guys, so this is fully tilt mirror in, out, so no matter where you mount it. But what I would recommend, see like I did there, I put felt all around this, making it bigger. Like I said, this is the Scotch 2 felt pads. I guess they are the same size. I will 101 by 152. You can pick this up at the hardware store or Amazon. I'll put the affiliate link below. Overall, I'm impressed. Little modification here. I don't know if it's normal, but both these products are KEMIMOTO, and they are very good, high quality. They did send me these products for free to do a review. Overall, I'm pretty impressed. I got the mirror on this side. I would film that one, but it's the same install. Fans pointed, it's ready to cool me down when I'm cruising in the golf cart. Alright guys, so what I decided to do on the second one worked out a little bit better. I am putting the felt pads onto the bracket before I install. So this is what I would recommend doing when you guys pick it up. Put the felt pads onto the bracket first. Alright guys, that's it for this install. Hope you enjoyed this. We do enjoy putting projects together. Golf cart's what we got right now. We also have a 19 Silverado custom truck, but check out a video on the left and the right. I will post other golf cart builds we did. We did a rack. We also did seats. We got a lot of content coming with this. We take this golf cart to almost every car show with us. Helps us film, helps us get around. Thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. Check out another video. We'll see you next time. Peace.